is Prachi Pradeep Moite. Today's my topic is the importance of the failure. Today's date is the 3rd October 2024. The failure is the people associate the failure with the defect. That's a close-up show. We are heard that most certainly isn't the case failure isn't the case failure doesn't mean the in it just means in the it just means you need to find the find the difference road of place ours lives in the negative mindset about failure. The think back out the your failure. You would take any them back. What did you gain and learn from your failure? When we learn, grow, and thrive. Through we gain new presenting on the world around us. Failure force peoples of the comfortable zone and challenging them to the make great leaps. This is the importance of the failure. Importance of the failure is the stepping strong and success. Failure has the shaped all of your lives from the adolescence to the adulthood. Failure has been the ever present matterly master teacher all thing. If we are if we always failure, we would be working on a issues and living a superior medicare life. It's also life resume builder of experience for the failure. By learning from failure, we can now our weakness and operate inside from zones of strength. Zones of the strength. We don't you followers failures. We don't failures strength zones of the strength. We don't failures of the personally to the learn failure to look of the. It's also builders of the experience the features by learning the from failure. We can now weakness and operate inside our zone strength. We don't have to fail personally to the learn from failure. Take look at the 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 failure test teachers as about law relationships, many business and people. Failure set the stage of the to reach our goals. We can use failure as a teaching tool to the teaching tool the I drop skill like problem solving, leaderships, communications, decision making, learning, and so things of failures like this. Every decision of the 15 chances of 50% chances success and 100% chances of guarantees to the teach of your something new in the process. How to use failure the classroom. Changing the student in the fast paced world of digital technology. Students have all sorts of the information at the at the tire figure step. They can find answer. They can find answer nearly unanswerable. Changing them to the thing and be a creative. Failure is efficiently in the climbing in the classroom because it can teach a student dedication, creating think skill, creativity and and the expanding the minds beyond give formulas and the standard thinking. Thank you.